All right, I've got a cool video for you guys. This is from Canon Classic Cars. They do this a few times a year where they open up their shop, they restore, repair classic cars, but they also buy them and it looks like they sell them. So if you're seeing this, you saw the thumbnail of this. I don't necessarily think this one's for sale. It's outside. But I want you to look at this. This has got white interior. Isn't that crazy? What do you guys think of that? I mean, that's a cool, look at the little bow ties. I mean, I swear I've seen this before. I mean, this is one hell of a Chevelle. Oh, it's a 66? Yeah, I think I filmed this up in Salt Lake. That's where we're at. We're up in Salt Lake. You look at this, got a, looks like a Sniper EFI setup on it. Little LS3. It's a two-wheel drive truck, but think that thing rips? I bet that thing catches a few people sleeping at the light. Got a few cars. Anyways, I'm going to show this to you guys. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. Got a few cars over here. I'm not going to take as much time as I could, but they got an old station wagon. It's pretty cool. It's not like a car show, so they don't just have the tags on it. I can't tell you everything it is, right? This is an old Caprice. Pretty cool. Got a V8. You know, got your Mustang. You guys into some tuning action? Here you go. Couldn't tell you what this Mitsu is, although it was here last time I came outside. So this one is for sale. If you guys are interested, I will try and drop a link. There's their business name. It says VVV. Anyways, nice Corvette. We'll go inside. You guys take a look at it. So it's Canon Classic. See if I can show you guys a couple things that are in here. So they do a lot of cool stuff. Show you the hot rod they've got over here. Let you guys take a look. You guys take a look at this. That's super rad. So I'm not going to be able to spend as much time as I want on this, but I want you guys to take a look. Just have a little understanding of what they do. So you get the gist. That was unexpected. I'll let you guys. That's what a big block with a dual tunnel ram to the carb sounds like. That pretty legit, right? Look at that thing. It's tubbed, obviously. Look at the tires. You heard what it sounds like. It's like half exhaust. Maybe there's a muffler. Terminates into bleeding air drums. It's pretty sweet. It's registered. It looks like it's been sold. It's got a for sale tag on it. Is it registered? It is. It doesn't have a plate. I don't know. I think it doesn't matter at that point. Just run it. So we're already at 4 minutes. But I want you guys to see, you got this, what I think is a 70. I don't know. It might be 68 or 69, Judge. If you know if this is a 69 or a 70, I can't ever remember by the front end. I think it's the 70. It's got some cool stuff under the hood, man. They are really detailed. Got gauges under there. You know, still got a carb on it. But it's got that little hat on it. So at least it's getting some air passing through the radiator. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but cool, huh? Oh, yeah, I'll show you this since we're going to have this big stinking long video. It's got some Kraegers on there. It's got rear disc on it. I noticed though, I hope this turns out in the video, this thing's got 3 pedals. This goat with this cool looking wing. Oh yeah, look at the hood and the hood tack. Too much details. Go to the channel if you want to see more details about these things. But yeah, super cool. Thing's got big old Pontiac motor with a clutch. Nice looking Camaro. Can't tell you if it's a big block, small block. Nice black car. They're prepping this. I mean, it screams LS3. So speaking of that, there's a Typhoon over here. Remember these? It wasn't the 3.8. They had the 4.1 in them, I think, if I remember right. These GMCs had the 4.1, which was shared. I think Buick had them, GM had them, GMC. So there's a lot of cool stuff in here. I can't spend all the time in the world on all these, but look at this yellow. This is sweet. I think this is a Canadian. I could be wrong though, I don't know. So there's your Charger. It's pretty nice. I'll let you guys look at the back of the thing. Too much stuff to go see. There's actually a car over here that I recognized. It's gonna be the thumbnail. I just saw the owner. Saw him at another car show at the end of summer. We're gonna head over there, see if I can ask him for an interview, because I know he's had this thing since high school, and it was the first car that I filmed. That 66 Chevelle, it's just crazy. So you got 280, good looking T8 280. This is Canon Classic, they sell cars, so there's a Thunderbird, you know, WRX, 280 SL. Look at that. You guys want an SS Chevrolet that's a convertible? I think it's like a 64, 65, I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot about this little gem. Looks like it's also tubbed. It's got stance. I mean, if it's not on air, I'd be surprised, but I don't care if it's what it's on. When you're packing a big block with 2 carbs, all I gotta say is, wow. You know, it's your typical show car prep. I mean, what year is it? What is this? Anybody tell me? But it's basically on the ground. The headers are right on the ground. It's for sale. So it's got some good looking leather in there. My kids say it's pleather. They're here with me. So you got your Volkswagen. Good old Volkswagens. And I guess I forgot something that's really cool before I swing around. This is another manual, big block. Another 427. It's crazy this is a 427. There's a lot of big block manuals over here. Says that's a good time. This is a Biscayne. I think they made these from 55 to 72. There you go. Cool, right? But my favorite, I mean, that GTO was cool. But this, I think it's a, I don't know, is this a 72 Nova? I don't know what it is, but it's got a 427 badging. Someone's put some badging on it. That looks fairly factory correct. Last time I was here, the hood wasn't open and I was all ticked off about it. They had 2 cars that the hoods were closed, and this is one of them. I was all bummed out for days. So now you guys see. Pretty cool, right? Sick though. It's got a Hirsch shifter in there. Land Rover. Let you guys see, got this convertible Camaro. There's only a couple more. We're up against 10-minute mark at this big block. What I think is a 73 Chev Camaro. Sick, right? Got a 55 Chevrolet. It's got a nice looking V8 in it, right? Not too bad. I'll let you guys, if you want to have a good glimpse I mean, most of these are for sale, like I said. If you guys are in the greater Salt Lake area, or even if you're a few states over, if you're interested in this stuff, you know, look them up. So that's the last one I'll show you guys, and we're going to end this. So it's a 57 Bel Air. It's got a Chev motor in it. There's a little Jeepster next to that, and a Humvee. Or Hummer, right? So anyways, we'll swing by. This Nova is the coolest. If you ask me, this is the coolest car. Ended on the 427.